हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया। अपने कार में घूमना मुझे बहुत पसंद है। मैंने अब तक अपने कार से भारत के 20 राज्यों का शानदार सफर किया है। I have also driven our car in Nepal. Alto, Figo, City, Quid, Bolero and the latest, it's not a car, it's a Thar. जय जगन्नाथ। ये रहा मेरा एक और नया वीडियो। आपका समर्थन मेरे 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर का लक्ष्य पूरा करने में मदद करेगा। Requesting your support to achieve my goal of 1 lakh subscribers. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Tiny Traveler Tanya. सभी को नमस्कार। आपको अपने चैनल Tiny Traveler Tanya में आपका स्वागत है। गूगल मैप्स आपको यहीं तक लाके छोड़ेगा, लेकिन यहीं से तो चढ़ाई शुरू होती है। 108 स्टेप्स, 108 सीढ़ियाँ। Today I'm super excited to take you all with me to one of the coolest places in Pune, Parvati Hills. आज मैं आप सभी को अपने साथ पुणे की सबसे अच्छी जगहों में से एक पार्वती हिल्स पर ले जाने के लिए बेहद उत्साहित हूँ। एंड गेस व्हाट, वी ड्रोव आवर महिंद्रा थार 4x4 ऑल द वे टू द टॉप। नो क्लाइंबिंग फॉर अस, जस्ट प्योर एडवेंचर। हमने अपनी महिंद्रा थार 4x4 को ऊपर तक चलाया। हमारे लिए कोई चढ़ाई नहीं, सिर्फ शुद्ध रोमांच। As soon as we reached up the base of Parvati Hills, I could feel the excitement building up. Normally, visitors would climb 108 steps to reach the top. But thanks to our powerful Thar, we took the road less traveled and drove straight up. हमारी शक्तिशाली थार को धन्यवाद। हमने अपनी थार को सीधे ऊपर तक चलाया। It wasn't just a smooth ride though. The slopes are steep and the narrow path curves around the hill. हालांकि यह सिर्फ एक सहज यात्रा नहीं थी। ढलान खड़ी है और संकीर्ण रास्ता पहाड़ी के चारों ओर घूमता है। But our Thar made it look so easy. आगे का रास्ता दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। That's why my father went up to check the road. लेकिन हमारे थार ने इसे बहुत आसान बना दिया। It handled the steep incline and rough terrain like a pro, gripping the ground and powering up without breaking a sweat. It felt amazing to experience our 4x4 in action, especially when others were climbing step by step. If you want to bring your car up to the top, please make sure you have a 4x4 vehicle and your driving skills are very good. Please drive very carefully as road is not easy. यदि आप अपनी कार को शीर्ष पर ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो कृपया सुनिश्चित करें कि आपके पास 4x4 वाहन है और आपका ड्राइविंग कौशल बहुत अच्छा है। कृपया बहुत सावधानी से गाड़ी चलाएं, क्योंकि सड़क आसान नहीं है। Today we have come to Parvati Hills and we have got our car. Oh wait, it's not a car, it's a Thar. We have got our Thar all the way up to the hilltop. In the video, you might not be able to judge the incline, but it is really very tough to drive. This is the statue of Bajirao Peshwe Pratham. Tiny Traveler तानिया के साथ पार्वती हिल्स देखिए और आनंद लीजिए। वीडियो में आप शायद ढलान का अंदाजा नहीं लगा पाएंगे, लेकिन गाड़ी चलाना वाकई बहुत कठिन है। टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ पार्वती हिल्स देखिए। प्लीज ड्राइव वेरी केयरफुली एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबली। कृपया बहुत सावधानी से और जिम्मेदारी से गाड़ी चलाएं। Since we have driven our car in more than 20 states of India and also in Nepal, driving all types of terrain, we were confident and with our 4x4 Mahindra Thar, we drove easily. क्योंकि हमने अपनी कार को भारत के 20 से अधिक राज्यों और नेपाल में भी चलाया है, हम आश्वस्त थे और हमारे 4x4 महिंद्रा थार के साथ हमने आसानी से गाड़ी चलाई। Now, once you're at the top, the views are just wow. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. You can see the entire city of Pune spread out below you. आप अपने नीचे फैला हुआ पूरा पुणे शहर देख सकते हैं। It's so peaceful and breezy up here, like the hustle and bustle of the city disappears for a while. Once you reach the top of Parvati Hills, you're greeted by a beautiful temple complex that's over 250 years old. The main temple here is the Parvati Temple, dedicated to goddess Parvati. यहाँ का मुख्य मंदिर पार्वती मंदिर है, जो देवी पार्वती को समर्पित है। It's a peaceful spot where people come to offer prayers and feel connected to the divine. The temple is built in traditional Maratha architecture. It's an important place for devotees, but also a beautiful spot to admire some history. What to see and do here? Let me tell you. यहाँ क्या देखें और क्या करें? मैं आपको बता दूं. There are a few things you shouldn't miss once you're up here. यहाँ आने के बाद कुछ चीजें हैं जिन्हें आपको मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. But it's not just the Parvati temple. There are also temples dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Lord Kartikeya, and Lord Shiva. Each temple has its own charm. The Kartikeya temple in particular has a majestic statue of Lord Kartikeya riding a peacock, and it's so detailed. The Vishnu temple, with its simple yet powerful atmosphere, makes you feel a sense of inner peace. Then there's Lord Shiva's temple, and near it is a massive Nandi statue, which is Lord Shiva's vehicle. The statue is beautifully carved out of stone and looks like it's been standing there forever, silently watching over the city below. It's an amazing spot for taking in the view while feeling the spiritual energy of the place. Next is the Parvati Museum, where you can check out artifacts and pictures of the Peshwa dynasty, giving you a peek into Pune's rich past. You can even take a lovely walk around the hilltop. It's peaceful and feels like a perfect escape from the city. The hill also has a Parvati Museum, where you can see old artifacts and pictures from the time of the Peshwas, who used to rule over this region. There's even a sword believed to have belonged to the great Peshwa ruler, Baji Rao I. For history lovers, it's like taking a trip back in time and seeing what life was like centuries ago. Everything here, from the temples to the statues and the museum, is a reflection of Pune's rich history and culture. Time to explore. If you're not driving up like we did, it usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to climb the 108 steps, and you can spend around 1 to 2 hours here exploring and taking in the views. Since we drove up, we had more time to relax and enjoy the scenery. क्योंकि हमने गाड़ी चलाई, हमारे पास आराम करने और दृश्यों का आनंद लेने के लिए अधिक समय था. How to get to Parvati Hills? Parvati Hills कैसे जाए? Parvati Hills is really easy to reach. Parvati Hills तक पहुंचना वाकई आसान है. It's in the heart of Pune, and you can either drive like we did, take a cab, or even use public transport. If you're feeling adventurous, climbing those 108 steps is totally worth it. But if you have a 4x4 like our Thar, you'll have even more fun driving up to the top. So that's our adventure to Parvati Hills, whether you're hiking up or driving. It's a place full of history, amazing views, and peaceful vibes. Let me know in the comments if you've been here or if you'd like to visit someday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tiny Traveler Tanya signing off. मैं आपसे मेरे अगले वीडियो में मिलती हूँ. तब तक मुस्कुराते रहिए और दुनिया घूमते रहिए. यहीं से हमने उतरना शुरू किया. अब आप देख सकते हैं रास्ता कितना खतरनाक था. वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो गया है, इसलिए मैं आपसे विदाई लेती हूँ. आप पार्वती हिल से उतरने का रास्ता देखिए और आनंद लीजिए. मैं आपसे मेरे अगले वीडियो में मिलती हूँ. तब तक मुस्कुराते रहिए और दुनिया घूमते रहिए. So that's our adventure to Parvati Hills, whether you're hiking up or driving. It's a place full of history, amazing views, and peaceful vibes. Let me know in the comments if you've been here or if you'd like to visit someday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tiny Traveler Tanya signing off.
Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.